Good afternoon, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. I am back at Legoland, Florida, but this time I am staying at the Legoland Hotel. But even better, I am staying at the brand new Pirate Hotel. I am super excited about this hotel stay. A really big thank you to Legoland, Florida for inviting me out. They are providing the tickets, the food, the hotel room. Unbelievable. Thank you, Legoland, Florida. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. I am already loving the theming going on at this resort. I really wish I was able to visit Legoland and stay at a hotel like this when I was a kid, because as a grown man right now, my mind is blown. In this video, I will be giving you a full resort tour of the room, the activities, the pool, pretty much everything you can do at this resort. And also tomorrow, we will be heading back over to the park and maybe even the water park. And look how close we are to the front entrance of Legoland, Florida. Bag check and security right here, and then heading over this way, the turnstiles and the front entrance of Legoland. And just note before you enter the hotel, because of the current situation, you do have to have your temperature checked. And here we are. Welcome to our hotel room. Oh my goodness. For the little ones, look at this. You have bunk beds and a pull-out bed. Your little ones will have their own TV and Legos. You have an iron, extra pillows, an iron board, place to put your bags. They offer you water, but you do have to pay for them. Let's head into the bathroom. Wow. Look at the Lego crab, the mermaids. Bianca just pointed this out. You want to go ahead and show them what you just found?
Sure. So for your little ones who are still potty training, we have this lift. How cute is that?
Also have a step stool for your little ones. There's me, hello. Look at the shampoo, body lotion, and the conditioner. They even give you a toothbrush, toothpaste. Look at the shower. More pirates. Wow, I love the theming. Really deep, nice shower. And then coming back out here, you have a little desk with the Keurig. Oh look, Legoland left us first visit buttons. Looks like they left us some hand sanitizer. But look at this room. Look at the Lego parrot up there. I love this. The entire hotel room is themed. Nice little 40-inch TV. Oh, there's pirates. I just cannot get over this. We have a view. Nice. We can see the pirate pool. The parking area for Legoland. We can see the water. I am very impressed with this hotel room. And they do offer USB plug-ins. And it looks like, yes, we do have a refrigerator. It also looks like we are trying to find some hidden treasure. I think this monkey may give us a clue to where the treasure may be. I just found this on the bed. Looks like we have a few clues to unlock the treasure. How fun. We have figured out all of the clues to unlock the treasure. Looks like 2 juice boxes, some mini Lego sets, an eye patch, and looks like a coloring book. That is awesome. The Legoland Hotel did leave us a little note explaining all of the new health and safety protocols. Enhanced cleaning has happened in this room. They did leave hand sanitizer for us. Elevators, only 1 family at a time. Make sure you keep your social distance at least 6 feet apart of the next party. Or matey. These are awesome. I truly feel like a big kid right now. I wish I had a hotel like this to come to when I was a child. This is amazing. We got all changed up, and now we're gonna head downstairs for dinner at the brand new restaurant here at the Pirate Island Hotel. Even the elevators are awesome. And here we are at Shipwreck Restaurant. It looks as if it is a prefixed menu, served family style. Adults $28, children $13, and you can choose. You have a barbecue pirate platter and a sea dog skillet with seafood. And you also get dessert, and your beverages are included. We got our table, and I think we are going to go with the barbecue pirate platter. The bread looks delicious. It looks like we have some honey on top with a cinnamon butter, and we also have a salad to start with. And to celebrate this amazing experience, I did order a Moscow Mule. So adults, if you get a little stressed out with your children around the Legoland Hotel, they do have a full bar. Cheers. This restaurant reminds me so much of Garden Grill over at Epcot. And here's our dinner. We went with the barbecue platter. Those ribs are calling my name. We also got some barbecue beans, macaroni and cheese, and green beans. As we see, the tables are spread out at least 6 feet apart. Whoa, look at the dessert. We have a chocolate chip cookie in a skillet. Ear to ear magic? What are you guys doing here?
We just follow you around, dude. We just watch your Instagram stories and then we just sneak in.
Go check them out. They have an amazing YouTube channel and Instagram. We just finished dinner at Shipwreck Restaurant. What did you think?
It was delish.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, it was good.
The dessert was amazing. The ribs were good.
That was my favorite part.
And we got these cool bandanas. I put my eye patch back on. I'm excited to try breakfast in the morning because breakfast is included with every room here at the Legoland Hotel. I cannot get over the Legos inside the pool. You gotta love the Florida sunsets. Looks like cotton candy. For the elevators, it is now a VIP experience. Only one family or group allowed at one time, so you cannot get on the elevator with another party. We are now making our way to the pool. Towels are included. All you do, get your hotel card, scan it, open the door, and you have a towel. Look at all the Legos here in the pool. It is a little crowded though. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of social distancing going on right now. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try not to touch anything. I just got into the pool and they just closed because it's going on 9 o'clock. But at least I'm keeping my social distance. Let's go underwater one time though. Accomplished. I just went up to the hotel room, took a shower and changed, and now I want to finish giving you guys a full resort tour. Just got off the elevator heading to the main lobby, and I wanted to show you guys the Pirate Island lobby before we get to the actual main lobby. You just see a galore of Legos, and then they do the live entertainment right here, and they do offer a full service bar. I am now in the main lobby and it is pretty loud in here, but anyways, you will park, walk through the front door, you will have your temperature checked, and this is where you will come check in, check out. If you have any questions regarding your hotel stay, park tickets, this is where you will come. And again, this is the main lobby. So it is very crowded and very loud in here. They have another giant galore of Legos. I would not touch those right now. Their play area is open. They do have another restaurant. This is called Bricks. It's another family style restaurant, but this is where you will come for breakfast. And usually before the global pandemic, they would have a character dining experience right here. They offer another bar, and this is also a lounge, so you can order food right over here. To the left of the front desk, they do offer a smaller version of a Lego store, but it's not open. Oh geez, there's Legos all over the floor. I hate stepping on these things. Oh my goodness, it is so loud in the main lobby right now, and it's going on 10 o'clock at night. You would think these kids would be asleep. Right outside of the main lobby, you do have the main pool. This did close at 9 o'clock p.m. also. Located on the left side of the pool, they do offer a putt-putt course. That's pretty cool. I just got back to the room. That was pretty fun walking around the resort, just seeing everything that Legoland has to offer for not only the parks, but here at the resort as well. But I am going to call it an early night because we have to wake up and get back over to Legoland tomorrow. So I'll see you guys bright and early. Good morning. It is the next day. We are about to head down to Legoland, which I'm super excited about. It's going to be a fun day, really beautiful day outside, but I will say the bed was super comfortable. This hotel room definitely is in the top 5 best hotel rooms I've ever stayed in. We made it down to breakfast just in time. The restaurant closes at 10 o'clock a.m., so they allowed us in about 5 minutes after that time. But breakfast is free for all guests staying here. But I think I'm going to be wearing a mask today. They are not required at Legoland or the resort. That's why I haven't been wearing one. But a lot of people are here right now, and I'm definitely thinking I'm gonna be wearing one of these today just because the cases are going up so high right now. It looks like it is normally buffet style, but with the current situation, they do have staff serving you the food and the drinks. We just finished breakfast here at Bricks. It was actually pretty good. It was the classic American breakfast. You had scrambled eggs, bacon, potatoes, biscuits and gravy, orange juice, coffee. I'm impressed. But now, let's head to Legoland. And here we are, back at Legoland, Florida, at the front entrance. I do feel a little at peace right now, wearing a mask. Like I said earlier, masks are not required here at Legoland and the Legoland Hotel, but I don't know. Everything that's going on right now just kind of calms my anxiety by wearing a mask. If your little one is 48 inches, they can ride everything inside this park. Oh, how cool, the rocket just took off. I missed it by a few seconds. This is my 3rd time here at Legoland, Bianca's 1st time, but it's crazy how staying the night at the Legoland Hotel carries over to Legoland, Florida, the theme park. It's like one big Lego masterpiece. The Lost Kingdom Adventure is definitely my favorite ride here at Legoland. Only a 10-minute wait. We're going on a Lego safari. And I'm so big I had to get one all to myself. Oh, this is cool. Oh yeah. Oh, I need to put my hand back on the steering wheel. I really appreciate the hand sanitizer at the exit of every attraction. These little portable fans really do save my life here at the theme parks because it's so hot. Today is the first day of summer. Right now, the real feel 98 degrees, but in about an hour, 101 degrees. Real feel. Whew. Last time I was here, the Great Lego Race VR coaster was down, but it is open today. But it does not look like they are offering the VR headsets due to the current situation. Yeah, they are not having the VR. Here we go. This ride seems a little intense. Here we go, big drop. Woo-hoo! Woohoo! That was definitely a very intense roller coaster. I mean, it wasn't like very scary, but it was intense because, you know, when you first see this coaster, it doesn't look intense, doesn't look scary. It looks pretty fun. I mean, it was a fun coaster. I couldn't imagine having the VR headset on while doing all the turns and curves. Very fun ride. That may be my new favorite here at Legoland. We are walking through Lego City. I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a day here at Legoland. It's really hot. I mean, it is very, very hot. We do have some friends with us with little kids, and even the little kids are getting extremely hot where they wanna go home. So we're gonna go ahead and leave Legoland. Thank you so much for having myself and Bianca out at the Legoland Hotel and also providing tickets to come here to Legoland. They did give us tickets to go to the water park, which we may still do. I'm not really sure. If we do decide to do that, that will be a different vlog. I just can't get over how amazing that Legoland hotel room was. That was definitely in my top 5 best hotel rooms I've ever stayed in. Legoland is about a good hour away from the Walt Disney World area, so if you're coming here on vacation and want to come here to Legoland, I would definitely consider it. I did feel a peace of mind by wearing a mask here at Legoland. You don't have to wear a mask here, but I just wanted to wear one because now that we're officially in the vacation summer peak time, people are still coming here on vacation. The crowds are growing, and you never know. Some people keep a social distance and some others, they just don't really keep a social distance. So by me wearing a mask definitely made me feel safer, like I can go do more stuff. But anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. It is so hot. I'm out of here. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice in YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.